Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with Afterpay at Target. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later in 4 interest-free installments. To get started, you will need to have an Afterpay account and the Afterpay app on your mobile device. First, download the Afterpay app from the App Store or Google Play and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you have created your account and logged in, browse the Target website or visit a Target store to find the items you want to purchase. When you are ready to check out, select the items you want to buy and proceed to the checkout page. At the checkout page, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website to log in and confirm your payment. After logging in, Afterpay will prompt you to enter the amount you want to spend and the number of installments you want to pay in. The default payment plan is 4 interest-free installments, but you can adjust this to suit your needs. Review your payment schedule and confirm your payment. Once you have confirmed your payment, you will be redirected back to the Target website to complete your purchase. You will receive an email from Target confirming your order and an email from Afterpay with your payment schedule. To avoid late fees, make sure to pay your installments on time. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Afterpay app. If you need to return an item, contact Target customer service to initiate the return process. Paying with Afterpay at Target is a convenient and flexible way to shop. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of Afterpay and take home your favorite items today. Remember to always review your payment schedule and make payments on time to avoid late fees.